Why is nobody talking about this? You can be an auto service provider and earn money from the comfort of your house with these simple steps. If you're new to QuickMechs, we just launched a web version to help you post your shop, list your services, and start earning conveniently. And if you're thinking, I've signed up, but nobody has contacted me, it's probably because customers can't find you yet. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix that. Step 1. Go to your browser, www.quickmechs.com, and sign in. Now click on the Post button. Choose your category. For me, I'm going with car AC. Next, pick exactly what you work on. Maybe it's repairs, installations, or refills. Choose what fits you best. Then select your working hours. You're in control here, so pick a time that's super flexible for you. Don't forget to drop your contact number. That's how customers reach you fast. And of course, enter your shop address. That way, people nearby can easily find and book you. You can also upload your company photo and click Continue. And that's it. Simple, right? Once your shop is posted, you're officially visible and ready to start making money. So don't sleep on it. Update your profile today and turn your skills into steady cash with QuickMechs.